Good morning, students. Exercise 1.1, question number 4. If A is equal to 5, 6 and B is equal to 4, 5, 6 and C is equal to 5, 6, 7, show that A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. Right? So this problem is related to our third example problem. So we have to show that LHS is equal to RHS. Right? So let's consider it as LHS and RHS. So what is LHS? A cross A. So find out A cross A. A cross A is nothing but we have to find the Cartesian product of A and A itself. So what is A here? 5, 6. So 5, 6 cross. Again we have to write A. So same 5, 6. Now we have to find the Cartesian product. So take the first number 5, 5, 5, 6. Again 6, 5, 6, 6. Right? So let's consider it as first equation. So this is LHS. LHS is over. And next go for the RHS. RHS is B cross B intersection C cross C. B cross B intersection C cross C. So first we have to find out B cross B. So B cross B is nothing but Cartesian product of B and B itself. So what is B here? 4, 5, 6. So 4, 5, 6 cross. Again we have B here. So again 4, 5, 6. So now we have to find the Cartesian product. Take the first number 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. 3 possible order pairs. Go with the second number 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Next ordered pairs. Go with the last number 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Right? So that's all about the possible order pair we can obtain from this given two sets. So this is B cross B. What is the next one? C cross C. So C cross C is nothing but Cartesian product of C and C itself. So what is C here? 5, 6 and 7. So 5, 6, 7 cross. Again we have C. So same 5, 6, 7. So now we have to find the Cartesian product the same way. In the first element 5 cross 5, 5 cross 6, 5, 7. Again second number 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7. Third number 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7. Right? So 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7. 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7. 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7. So we found out all the possible ordered pairs. But the RHS is B cross B intersection C cross C. So we have to find the intersection. Intersection is nothing but common elements between the given two sets. So we have to find out what are the common ordered pairs, that is common elements between this B cross B and this C cross C. So write all the B cross B elements here and all the C cross C elements here. So intersection. So we have to find the common element from this two sets. So let's go one by one. So what is the first one? 4, 4. Here we don't have 4, 4 here. So 4, 4 is not the common element. 4, 5. Here we don't have 4, 5. So this is also not the common element. 4, 6. Here we don't have 4, 6. This is also not the common element. 5, 4. Here we don't have 5, 4. So 5, 4 is also not the common element. 5, 5. Yes, we have 5, 5 here. So in this both sets we have 5, 5. So 5, 5 is the common element here. So we should write 5, 5 here. And the next one is 5, 6. Yes, here also we have 5, 6. So this is also the common element. So write 5, 6 here. And the next one is 6, 4. Here we don't have 6, 4. So 6, 4 is not the common element. Go for the second one 6, 5. Yes, 6, 5. Here also we have 6, 5. So this is the common element. So write 6, 5. And the last one is 6, 6. Yes, here also we have 6, 6. So this is the common element. So write 6, 6. Therefore, the answer is B cross B intersection C cross C is equal to 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5 and 6, 6. So let's consider it as equation number 2. So if you check LHS and RHS, here also 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. Here also 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. Therefore, both LHS and RHS are equal. So how should we write? Equation 1 is equal to equation 2. LHS is equal to RHS. What is LHS? A cross A is equal to what is RHS? B cross B intersection C cross C. Hence proved. That's all about this question. Thank you.